Want to know how to fix Kimi not working on your phone, maybe it's your Android or your iPhone? This video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix it in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now first things first, you can just simply open up your Kimi application and check what is the reason. So sometimes it might be your Wi-Fi issue or the application itself. So for that, make sure you have your Kimi updated. So you can just simply head towards the Play Store, search up Kimi on the search button right here, and then check if you have any updates. So make sure to update it. This will mostly help it. So if that still doesn't work, you can just simply hold on to Kimi and head towards its app settings, and on the bottom right side you should be seeing something known as clear data right here. Just simply select that, set clear cache, select OK, and you should be good to go. And that's it. Now you can just simply start your Kimi. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.